Sa bawat araw na dumarating, piliin natin maging masaya. Maraming hamon ang buhay, pero tayo ang may kapangyarihang magbigay kulay sa bawat sandali. Tandaan, kahit simpleng bagay, pwedeng magdala ng ngiti, kaya i-enjoy natin ang bawat sandali.
Hello guys, good afternoon. So for today's video, I will shower the cat and the dog. Let's see what's going on after this. They will scratch me or what? Because I know cat don't like water, but I will make him shower so he feel good and fresh. Because he's not before when he come home with us, when he's home, he been shower already. We give shower, but after that, no more, cause Cliff get mad on me. But I will try now. I hope everything will be okay. So yeah, now they're meow meow because he want to go out. He want to go out, but he's not allowed to go out because he will climb. Today I put her in the back and he just tried to escape. I don't know what's going on with this cat if he's go out. So yeah, this is no. Wait. No. No. Quiet. Quiet. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, I know. It's not really cold na. Okay, good boy. Okay. Quiet. Ano po ng mga kuto? Namlay kuto. Oh. Ugaw na itong daong ganyan. Uslip ni mami o ni Sasak. Iyo. Pati kayo. Okay. Mami love you. It's okay. Come on. It's okay. Okay, oh. Okay lah. Mama. Okay. Agay. Okay. Kanyang kamot. Ambing kamot orang tikin. Kay mga oras niya kakasakit baya. Yaw pamaak ni mami ha. Nakuha na yung kuto. Sabay kuto na lang. Wala na siya po. She don't have what you call that problem of the flea. Pero, wait. This is that. Shower na pong tabi. Okay. Quiet. So if you don't take shower, guys, we just wipe with wipes. What? You are the one that's Puchi. Come on. You take shower? Mag-shower, guys, si Puchi. Hindi na vlog. Baby boy. Wala vlog. Baby. Para di na ka mga tol. Nasukutin yung mami, hindi ka puto. Wala siya. Maligo pa, wala siya mag... Ay, na siya mimi. Wow! Kagwapa ba na ba? Kagwapa ba na? Kagwapa ba na mong baby? Ay, ano? Oh, no. You go inside na. Okay, you go inside na. Oh, love mo. Oh, love mo. Okay. Okay na. Hi guys, so today is Puchi shower also. Not only Oliver, also our Puchi need to take shower. And you know guys, he don't want to take shower. She make me run around. But he is a good girl. Come on ni mama. Don't be kuan. So I will hold her. She will run. So I will be in the center. So it's shower time for them. Puchi is our adopted dog and Oli is adopted. Get it. Dito ba yung something na because nakadagang kuhan. No? I don't understand why he got a what you call that, please. Mga tip-off ni sila guys kay sige man ko ni siya lakaw-lakaw niya. Kanang naadiri nga he is always walking around guys, and we have a dog go to our gate, so he get a play. So, I don't like it. buy an injection for flea. Buka man siya there. They take it off by the seat. This is that I don't like that you walk around. You cannot stay inside because you don't know how to go bark if you want to pee. Or I need to buy a play collar to you. Gigi, don't go nowhere. Don't go nowhere. Stop it. This is my dog. I'm the one take shower. Kuha na kasta katon. Daot na kasta katon. She's a girl, guys. Never been touched. Oh, she been touched one time. She been touched one time. And after the birthday of Sahira, she been touched. But it's not working. Because the one who touched our dog is a old dog. So they cannot make baby. Thanks God. I need to buy you a scratch toy. Muna mo, kuhan ka kay sige yung kag paso-paso ano. The dog of the owner here have a lot of what you call that, flea, and then he go to our gate, so it's possible he give to Pochi. I don't like it. Ay! Stop it. Be patient. Because if your mom is the one take shower of you, just only wet and done. Me, I will take it everything. Stop it. You're the one suffer this one, not me. Diri diri. Ganito ba yung something na good fish? Not really good. Ganito pero nagadi you buy for the plate. Come on. Or you go to the bed and get play injection. So no one play living in your in your body. Agoy! Stop it! Wait. Ayaw lagi gara. You need to get a vaccine. You need to get a vaccine as soon as possible. As soon as possible. I will tell your dada. Naman pukang naman kay daghang ani diin man nimo. I hate you, yun. Okay. This is take long time guys because I wash her 2 times. Ay. Times nag-wash para makakuha ng mga bad elements in na your bad elements na bad elements. Ikaw manigligo, ato na po dito kuan. Agbot. Just before, I experienced before. I have a dog. Oh my God. A lot of what you call that. Because our neighbor before in the Sibulan, she got a dog. Then the dog stay in the what you call that gate and get a lot of flea. And after that, they are crawling in our house. Then my dog before is always inside. He will get out if he go pee or poop like that. This one will put her outside because it's really what you call that. It's really observant to people. She's friendly. You're friendly, right? You're friendly. It's friendly, guys, but you need to be careful because sometimes the attitude of this one, we don't know. Can you imagine, guys? I have two like this of dog. Oh my God. And he's eating what you call that? Dog food. He will eat little bit rice or meat if I'm the one give it, but I don't like it, no, because he will get mad. Her dog food is bawawaw, bawawaw. Then my cat is have a cat food, but he like to eat what you call that? He like to eat fish, pork, chicken. That's like really ambitious cat. But our Puchi, kiss mommy. You're sad. Our Puchi, you give something, it's okay, no problem. But that one, he will not stop. He will cry you like crazy, like a baby. And this one, relax lang among baby. We don't bring it in the kuan and outside. Because I bring this one in Robinson. He's really good girl. He listen, but I'm scared because of his what you call that, of his leash. I need to buy a leash with what you call that here ba? Like put it here because it's what you call that. I'm scared that I bring her outside because you know what? She don't have a what you call that, a parvo. I'm afraid that like our dog before, don't have parvo, and I bring in the beach, they die. Get a parvo. That's my worst enemy, parvo, or the dog. I have experience with the dog before. That parvo one, it's really expensive to fix. We spend, I think, 18,000 for bit for 5 days. So big by one is like a one also is like a person. But you know what? Our dog is what they call that, is a part of family. This traffic really good because the one is so today is July 23. So tomorrow is 24. I don't know if I upload this one right away or maybe I think this is late upload guys because tomorrow July June July June 24 or 25 24 day is there's a school celebration. I need to go there because I need to parents will be attending that nutrition. So some people thinking that my life here is easy. It's not easy. I'm the only working here. Lupit pa'y katabang na kuan na pero ako mas lang mga pinangga. I will serve with my best, with love and care. So, umana siya guys. Don't one ha. Okay. Ayaw lagi kuan lagi. Malayo. I'm sorry, you need to take shower. Kay kuan. Everything will be okay. I will buy a kuan. Come on. Ayaw ka. A hose for you guys. So mommy not suffer. Mommy not suffer. Mommy not suffer. Wait. I'm not suffer. But I need to buy a hose. So mga tantang na ng imong mga friend. Ayaw nagdagan. Kana imong friend. Tantangon tanong say. Another one. Last. Ay, Ginoo. The last. Ako rin na siyang butang ang sabon gamay guys. Luwi mo, puputang ako sa buong. Dira to tarong ko. Dira na to tarong ko. Tanaw. YouTube na wala ikaw. Dali. Na may tao na tanaw ka kung sa daganon. No. So, ang light guys, nakagipos ba light? Light klase si Sahira. Bilib dyan ko malakaw. Kaya asa magkumpo. Klase man akong bata. So, stay at home na ko, magbuhat ra ko mag-weekend. Huwag na kwarta, makagawa. So, walay kwarta, stay at home. I never run and I never hide. That's what I say. Ito na. Yes. Bye. So, humana siya Lego. Naguna ko dito ba na retilas.
Thank you.
Sa bawat araw na dumarating, piliin nating maging masaya. Maraming hamon ang buhay, pero tayo ang may kapangyarihang magbigay kulay sa bawat sandali. Tandaan, kahit simpleng bagay, pwedeng magdala ng ngiti. Kaya i-enjoy natin ang bawat sandali. Magpasalamat at patuloy na magpakatatag. Lagi nating isaisip, happiness is a choice. Let's choose to be happy. Walang take two sa buhay, kaya piliin mong maging